Valenti from PAFSA in South Africa. Thank you so much for popping in to see this series, a special PAFSA series, which we decided this year to run and share with you because of two major topics of concern in the times we live in. The first one is agility in the workplace and agility in our mindsets. And the second major topic is, of course, why of the PA, in other words, why of the EA role. These two topics will be broken down into 5 episodes. Each of the 5 episodes will unpack one of the facets of these two major topics. And I hope you will see all 5 episodes so that you can see the link between the first aspect right up to the 5th aspect, which is a critical one, and you will see why when you get there. In planning this series, obviously, we engaged award-winning South African PAs that viewed this and undertook this as a project. And we invited global speakers and global trainers from various parts of the world to engage with our PAs in dialogue, to explore the perspectives of these topics and how it affects the role of the PA and EA as we go into a more agile work situation in the future, whether that work situation is actually a physical space at an office, workplace, or a hybrid situation. And I thank the award-winning PAs for undertaking this project to share with their peers worldwide, and a very special thanks for the time the expert trainers from all over the world gave of their time to explore the perspectives. Of course, the PAFSA series will have a specific aim, a very important aim. And the first aim is for the PA-EA world itself, as the position of the EA PA role, not so much a position, is going to change as the workplace becomes more and more agile, and how it impacts on what they do and specifically how they do it. And the most critical aim is, of course, to impact on the employer mindset vis-a-vis the role of the PA and EA going into the future, and how this will become and is in fact a critical role. This aspect of critical will be explored in the 5th episode. So I invite you to follow the series. May it touch your heart and soul. May it inspire you. And of course, may it impact on the way employers view the PAE role as we go into the future. Thank you so much. Stay with us and enjoy. Obviously, the question is, what does agility mean? What is it that makes a workplace agile? Well, for you to be agile, obviously your workplace needs to provide the environment through software and platforms that allow you to work seamlessly, allow you to work swiftly, so that you're not hindered by technological boundaries. And if your executives have created an agile workplace, obviously your productivity will increase, and so will your engagement with your colleagues, made so much easier. Look at the benefits of an agile environment. It allows for flexibility of our working hours. It permits flexibility of where we work, whether at home or at the office or in a hybrid situation, because the technology permits it to be so. It boosts collaboration with others by adding speed to the way you work, because platforms reach your colleagues much faster. It increases the communication flows. It promotes continuous development as you learn new apps and platforms that arrive. And obviously, what does a PA feel? Well, obviously, a PA feels much better in an environment that enhances well-being and productivity.
for listening to this introduction via episode 1 of the series. The excitement begins when obviously we look to the question, are you ready to be an Agile PA or EA or office admin? Listen to episode 2 and continue your learning.